Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lois. Tune in to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll be able to bring more YouTube videos. Today I want to talk about the heart, um, a cross section of the diagram of the heart and its location on the human being and what it does. So before I start, I want to briefly explain what the heart is. The heart is a hollow muscular organ of the body, which is one of the vital organs of the body, which is responsible for pumping blood and nutrients to the rest of the body through the circulatory system, and also it brings back waste products of metabolism for excretion, for example, carbon dioxide. The heart is generally small. It is the size of the owner's fist, and it weighs about 300 to 450 grams in a normal adult. The heart normally beats between 60 to 100 beats in a minute and about 5 liters of blood per heartbeat, and it beats 24 hours in a day, which means that the heart doesn't stop. In our lifetime, it will continue to beat. So the heart has got 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers which are called the atria, and 2 lower chambers called the ventricles. Now I just want to take you through the cross section of the diagram of the heart that I have just drawn there. I'm not very artistic, so bear with me. I've tried my best to bring that diagram. I'm now going to take you through the diagram and tell you which part, so that as we go further with other lessons of the heart, you will know what I'm talking about. So according to my rough sketch, this is the superior vena cava, this one, which brings in deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body. The upper part of the body, which deoxygenated blood is brought through the superior vena cava, is from the head, the neck, the chest, and the upper arms. So and the superior vena cava is formed by the junction of the brachiocephalic veins. It is roughly about 7 centimeters long and 2 centimeters wide. The so the next one is the right pulmonary arteries. This is the right pulmonary artery, right pulmonary artery. The right pulmonary artery transports deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle, pumped by the right ventricle, to the lungs for exchange of gases. And these are right pulmonary veins. The right pulmonary veins brings to the heart oxygenated blood from the right lung to the left side of the heart, to the left atrium there. And this is the inferior vena cava. The inferior vena cava is also one of the largest veins of the body, which is formed by the union of the common iliac veins. and they they form the inferior vena cava, which brings back deoxygenated blood to the heart from the bottom half of the body, which involves the feet, the lower limbs, the pelvis, and the organs of the abdomen to the right atrium. And this is our right atrium. And our right atrium receives blood, deoxygenated blood from the body through the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. And these are the tricuspid valves. The tricuspid valves controls movement of blood, and it opens when pressure builds up in the atrium and allows blood to go into the right ventricle. It controls movement of blood and allowing it to flow through one direction. This is our right ventricle, which also receives blood from the right atrium, and it pumps blood through the through the pulmonary trunk, which is this one, pulmonary trunk, which will divide into the right pulmonary artery and the left pulmonary arteries. Left pulmonary arteries. So this is the right pulmonary artery and this is the left pulmonary artery, which also transport deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the left lungs for exchange of gases. Then the right pulmonary artery and the left pulmonary arteries are the only arteries in the body that carries deoxygenated blood. So this one is the aorta. The aorta carries oxygenated blood pumped by the left ventricle to the rest of the body to supply oxygen and nutrients. And these are the left pulmonary veins. The pulmonary veins, they bring oxygenated blood from the lungs into the left ventricle. So the right pulmonary veins and the left pulmonary veins are the only veins in the body that carry oxygenated blood. And these are the mitral valves. The mitral valves also controls movement of blood from the left atrium to the left ventricle and allows blood to move in one direction only. As you can see, the left ventricle have got some thicker muscles than the right ventricle. This is because this shows the amount of work that each ventricle does. This right ventricle pumps blood for a short distance to the lungs for exchange of gases, while the left ventricle pumps blood through the aortic valve to the aorta and the rest of the body. Now I'm going to talk about the location of the heart. The heart is located in what we call the mediastinum, which is the central part of the chest. The mediastinum fits like a jacket on the heart, and the heart is between the second rib and the sixth rib, and its apex rests on the diaphragm. On the anterior part of the heart, there's the sternum, and on the posterior part, there's the cervical vertebra. The heart is slightly to the left of the body than to the right. 1/3 of the heart is on the right side of the midline of the body, while 2/3 of the heart is to the left side of the midline of the body. On both sides of the heart, there is the pleural cavity, which houses both lungs. And the left lung is smaller than the right lung because of the position that is occupied by the heart. So the heart is protected by the rib cage. Roughly, that's the location of the heart. Now I'm going to talk about the functions of the heart. The right side of the heart pumps blood to the lungs for oxygenation, while the left side of the heart pumps rich oxygen, which is oxygenated blood, to the rest of the body. So that's the pumping function of the heart. The heart is also responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the rest of the body for metabolism, while it also brings back through its veins the waste products of metabolism. For example, carbon dioxide for excretion is pumped to the lungs. And the heart is also responsible for maintaining normal rates and rhythm of the heart through its electrical conduction system. And the heart is also responsible for maintaining flow of blood in the right direction through its valves. And the heart is also responsible for maintaining normal blood pressure. I'm going to talk about how the heart maintains normal blood pressure in my next videos. So guys, please like and share my YouTube channel so that I continue to bring more of these videos. So please like, subscribe, and view my YouTube channels. Thank you.